Just when you thought it was safe to wade back in, is there danger lurking in the market's murky waters? Cramer's talking to top technicians and going over the great white charts to help you be the bigger fish in this tape. Don't miss Chart Week, all this week on Mad Money.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski day. Time for the lightning round. We're going to start with Brad. Brad in South Carolina. Brad.
Yes, sir, Mr. Kramer. How you doing?
I am doing well. How about you, sir?
All right. Got a quick question for you. With Spirit Airlines reporting on Wednesday morning, and the airline's been doing so good, flying high, you might say.
Right.
Where do you think Spirit is going to go from here?
I am concerned about Spirit because that market's become very competitive. They were hoping to do a little bit more consolidation. The government's not going to let them. So I'm going to say we should take a pass on Spirit. There's better other places to go, and I like Delta. Let's go to Matt in Colorado. Matt.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course, Matt.
I'm a pretty new listener, but I've already learned so much from you, so thank you for everything that you do.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I was just wondering what your thoughts are on ChargePoint and the EV charging space in general.
They are losing money. I am not going to recommend stocks on the show that are losing money. I will tell you, just as a little background, there's a big short position, and all the big shorts that I follow, companies that are heavily shorted, are all working, so it wouldn't shock me if it just shot up meme-wise, but I can't recommend on a fundamental basis. Let's go to Cody in Texas. Cody.
What's going on, Jim? Booyah.
Booyah, Cody. Booyah, what's happening?
Oh, yeah, so I was playing League with my buddies back in call when AFK in the jungle, and we are wondering, what is IonQ doing on the moon lately?
Because it's quantum computing, and people are desperate to find something that does quantum. I kid you not. There are concepts whose time has come. Quantum is one that people are desperate to find one, 14% short position, so it goes higher. No, I can't recommend it. It's losing money, but I get what's happening. How about Punkio in New Jersey? Punkio.
Booyah, Jim. First time call. Thanks
Fantastic.
for having me.
Of course, thank you.
Just wanted to get your input on Biohaven, BHP.
Okay, Vlad Shorich had a study that did not turn out well last week, and it drove the stock down. I think it's taken a lot of the fluff out of the stock, and therefore I like it, but it is losing a lot of money. And I remember the original Biohaven, which was bought by Pfizer, is Nurtec. And as the chief spokesperson for the American Migraine Foundation, I want everyone to ask for Nurtec when they have, I don't take any money, when they have a migraine, because the medical community is not aware of it. That's what I care about. Let's go to Randy in Florida. Randy.
Good evening, Jim.
Good evening, Randy.
Thank you
What's up?
thank you for all your insights and observations. They are very helpful. I need help on a stock that seems to be in a slow downward spiral.
All right.
Is there any light at the end of the tunnel for GOLD?
I have to admit that Barrick Gold has been a disappointment. And I've been looking at things like Franco-Nevada, or, of course, just like there's a gold ETF that's actually going to be, there's going to be gold crypto soon. I have to stand by the fact that Mark Bristow is very good, but it has been, but there's no two ways about it. It's been disappointing, and I think that there may be, and I'm working on other ways to play gold, including actually Agnico Eagle, which I'm beginning to like more. Sorry, Mark, but I got to tell it as I see it. I play for these people. Let's go to Tom in New York. Tom.
Hello, Jim Cramer, and booyah!
Wow, don't you love that? What's going on?
I want to know, what is your short-term / medium-term out of view on Marvell Technology?
I think Marvell could go to 70-75. The quarter was good, mostly because they had this tremendous AI business that goes in conjunction with what NVIDIA is doing. But I'll tell you, I looked at it again to be able to go back to it for the Charitable Trust. We had a very nice move in it. And I did feel that perhaps you got to wait for a pullback before you pull the trigger, even though Matt Murphy's working for you 24/7. Ginny in Florida. Ginny.
Good. Hi.
Ginny, what's up?
Thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
Made my portfolio look pretty good over the years.
Oh, thank you, Ginny. Thank you. How can I help?
I have some issues with Cleveland Cliffs,
okay.
CLF.
Yeah.
They don't have much of a future, is what I'm seeing. And yet,
I gotta differ. I think that the company is we're in a cyclical business here when we talk steel. I think they're doing better than people realize, but they know that Nucor is my favorite. Nucor is the way. If you want to be in a steel company, Nucor is the one you want. Another big move again in the stock. A lot of big moves today, by the way, including many big moves on the NASDAQ. Let's go to Taj in California. Taj.
Booyah, Jim. I want to know your opinion on this under-the-radar derivative AI play. As AI disrupts the job market, you're going to see students flock to this online education platform like the Salmon of Capistrano. The company's Coursera, C-O-U-R.
Well, geez, okay, I don't know it. I know Chegg. I am not going to opine on something I do not know. That sounds very exciting. Why don't I just get back to you and find out a little bit more about it? Because that does sound like when you got the Capistrano, you got the birds. I mean, hey, what the heck? You got me all interested. Let's take it up. Let's go to Brendan in New Jersey. Brendan.
Hey, Kramer. I got another stock which my AI has pointed out to me as being particularly interesting. Okay. That is Endava.
Well, Endava actually makes money. They do test automation, technologies, consulting. I like that. It may have something to do with AI, but I've got to tell you what it maybe does. It makes a lot of money for a lot of different industries, and I'm going to say you're okay with that one. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, goodbye, old friend, until we meet again. Kramer explains why the trust parted ways with a long-time holding. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimKramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.